Hey YouTube, today I'll be working on this engine plate and I'll be starting off by tapping this pulley to suit this 24 volt alternator that I bought. It's an OEM that was designed I think originally for a bus or a truck, and obviously it's brand new and it never came with a pulley. I worked out what size pulley I needed, and unfortunately I couldn't find one pre-tapped, so I'm going to have to tap that and then probably machine a little bit of a recess for down here. Okay, so this is the part of the video where everybody says, oh, let's see if it works. Of course, they've already pre-fitted it, haven't they? So I'm not going to bullshit you. I already have tried it on, and it fits fine. Looks reasonably straight, which is good. All that's left to be done now is to machine off that little step for the shoulder on the alternator. Just machine that guy off, so take a little bit out of there and it'll be ready to go. It's virtually impossible to recenter a cutter once it's been taken out of the vise, so I had to make this hole larger than I would have liked, just simply to stop any chance of the side binding up on the threads, because if it did that it could cock the pulley off to the side. As you can see, threads have always got a little bit of slop in them. If one side touched, it could potentially cock it over and not give it a wobble-free rotation like that. I filed off the face here just to make sure I got any high spots from the tapping and from being held in the vise, and now I can work out what the height is from the top of the pulley to the flange, which will be contacting the plate. Got about roughly 46.6 there. And about 46.6 that direction. So I already know the height of the pulley. The pulley is 15.77. So I then will be able to work out the distance from the top of the plate to the centre mark of the pulley.